at about 7 p.m. tonight. Precipitation appears to be a little bit slower moving into the area than I thought also. And I'm just going to move this along. I'm going to have to look off to my left and make sure I'm on another monitor with a graphic way off to my left. This is at 6:50 p.m. Temperature will be hovering around the 33, 34 degree mark about that time probably. And we move it forward to 7:40, and you see the precipitation moving mainly to the north of us. We move it now to 8:30 tonight, and you see maybe some freezing rain in the north part of Shelby County, north of I-40. The pink you see up near Jonesboro, that's probably a mixture of freezing rain and sleet. This is the North American model, one of the ones that we rely upon fairly. It's a fairly effective model. It agrees with the HRRR right now. Now we move along to 9:30, and you can see that still staying out of DeSoto County. As I said this morning, I think that any frozen precipitation that falls in DeSoto County probably happens after midnight to about 4 or 5 o'clock, and that's the way it looks right now. This is at 10:15, and then we move forward to 11 o'clock, and you see maybe it's moving right across the Mississippi River over in the Walls area by then. At 12 o'clock, it's moving slowly across the county. At 12:45 a.m., we may have freezing rain falling north of Interstate 269 and then over in the Arca Butler area and the Hernanda area. And as we move that forward to 1:30, we see it covers all of DeSoto County, all of Tunica County. We move to 2:30, and we have about the same scenario. 3:30, 3:15, we'll move it quickly now to 4 o'clock. By 5 o'clock, should be moving out of the area, and that's about what I expected as I talked to you this morning. And then we have a lull in the activity basically all day long, but the temperatures, as this is moving through the area after midnight, temperature maybe 30 and 31 degrees, so that's certainly going to qualify as a freezing rain event. We may have some slippery bridges in the morning hours tomorrow at rush hour or so. And now we move it, well, that went way back. Let me go back we're going to go, I jumped way forward. Here we're back at 10:45 tomorrow morning, and you see nothing happening. We go to 11 o'clock, and you see it moving across Arkansas at 12:30 tomorrow afternoon. At 1 o'clock, it's knocking on our door, and at 2 o'clock, we again show freezing rain activity across the western half of the county, moves on into all the county at 3 o'clock. And if you watch this closely, this model says this freezing rain is going to stay with us a while, but temperature probably 29, 30 degrees, maybe even 31 throughout this entire event. Here we are at 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 6:30 tomorrow afternoon, 7:15. It's still here, some heavy precipitation down just to the south of us, sleet over north of I-40 in Arkansas. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tomorrow night, still with us, 9:45, 10:30, 11:20, midnight. It's trying to get out of here, but it's hanging to the north, and it's going to swing back through maybe about 3 and 4 o'clock on Wednesday morning. So I just want to tell you and let you know that's what the models are showing right now. It appears to me that the freezing rain that may fall tonight between midnight and, say, 5 or 6 a.m. Will not be quite as intense as we might expect tomorrow afternoon, beginning at about 4 or 5 o'clock and extending all the way into Wednesday morning. So I think you need to wake up a little early tomorrow and check out some road conditions. May have some bridges and overpasses type things with some ice on them. Probably have some ice on the trees and the power lines. And then as the temperature gets slightly above freezing, hopefully on Tuesday, then that goes away. But then I think it all comes back maybe more intensely on Tuesday night into Wednesday. So that's the update right now. I hope you enjoy this data. I hope you enjoy me rambling like I did. I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream now, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.